Have you ever looked up at the incredible towering buildings that define the skyline of cities like New York and wondered, how do they stay up? For centuries, building really tall structures was an engineering puzzle. What changed to allow these magnificent giants to reach for the clouds? Steel frame skyscraper construction is an architectural method that uses a robust skeleton of vertical steel columns and horizontal steel beams. This framework supports the entire building, distributing its immense weight efficiently to the foundation, rather than relying on thick, heavy load-bearing walls. This revolutionary approach became dominant because traditional masonry buildings required incredibly thick walls at their base to support the upper floors, severely limiting both height and interior space. Steel, being immensely strong for its weight, provided a much lighter yet more rigid internal structure. This allowed the exterior walls to become non-load-bearing enclosures, often called curtain walls, which could be thinner, lighter, and filled with expansive windows, completely transforming both architectural design and urban living. Understanding this construction means recognizing the fundamental shift from compressive strength to tensile strength in building design. The steel frame handles both the vertical weight and the horizontal forces from wind, transferring these stresses down through the structure. Engineers meticulously calculate the precise dimensions and connections of each beam and column to ensure the building remains stable and flexible, swaying slightly in high winds rather than resisting rigidly, which could cause damage. A fascinating detail is how early steel frames were often riveted together, a noisy and labor-intensive process, before welding became more prevalent. Another key aspect is the use of fireproofing materials around the steel, as unprotected steel can lose its strength rapidly in intense heat. This combination of strength, flexibility, and protected integrity is what allows our modern skyscrapers to stand tall and proud. Ultimately, steel frame construction didn't just make taller buildings possible. It completely redefined urban landscapes and how we interact with our cities. It freed up ground-level space, invited more light into interiors, and allowed for the dynamic, vertical growth that characterizes modern metropolises. It is a testament to human ingenuity, allowing us to build the incredible structures that inspire and support millions of lives and businesses.